Oh god, it's smoking now.
This is what I did, and the candy started to smoke and stuff, so we turned it off. Now we're sucking the smoke out of the air. It's pretty cool. Also, this is how smart I am.
Oh god.
Oh god.
This is why we go to Julian's house.
Too late, Julian.
Oh, the kitchen. Oh god. Okay, watch this. What? Oh.
Don't open it.
Oh god, it's burning.
Don't
This,
Watch
open
this.
it or
Get me opening the microwave.
we win the Nobel Prize for tastiest candy. And also, there's now a Nobel Prize for tastiest candy.
Suck it up there. Go in there. Go to the microwave.
Okay. We assume the candy, we assume this isn't inhalable. So,
Oh my god.
our mission objective is to stop it from getting to the fire alarm. Because that's really fucking annoying. And here's Dylan with the vacuum. Go, Dylan, go.
It smells like marshmallows.
Don't open the microwave. Oh, my eyes.
Oh god. This isn't gonna work. Guys, we keep it.
My eyes.
Help it. Close the door. Close the door. No, open the door so we can ventilate. No, that.
Guys, I opened microwave.
Open the window. It is open. Open that window.
It's very hard to see. This wasn't very smart. If you see...